Good day and welcome back. Got another little project working on the John Deere GT225. I tipped a sheet of plywood onto the front end of this tractor and I did a little bit of damage, cracked this front part of the hood. I did knocked a little plastic portion off the bottom there. And I'm going to try to repair it with some JB weld. I actually have had good luck with it so far because I broke this side a couple weeks ago and it stayed together pretty good. I tried it with some super glue first. Super glue didn't want to bond it. It just fell off. So I figured, well, let's give JB Weld a try, and it's holding up. We'll get a better look at it once I flip this thing upside down, tear it apart. But this old hood, heck, I think it's from the year 2000, and you know, it's typical. It's got the big old trademark John Deere cracks on both sides. I figured I might as well repair it another time before I spend the $112 for a new hood. And that's just for the top section. You don't get the bottom half. You don't get the decal. Just 112 bucks. So I'll do a little repair on it, see if it holds up. If it doesn't, I'll probably order up a new top hood. So let's tear it apart and get this little project done. So I got it tore apart, flipped it upside down, and yeah, it broke it pretty good, but it's a pretty clean break. Didn't lose any other parts. Also broke these little, I don't know if they're supports or what they are, but they snapped off. We'll see if the JB wants to work on that side. This side is okay, except I'm missing one of the supports that are supposed to go right here, but that one there didn't break. So we'll mix it up and start applying it. So not much to it, just mix up the JB and put it on the ends of the crack. I put some tape over. You can use regular tape. I use some foil tape. It doesn't stretch. It's pretty durable. I just sort of stretched it over the crack, pulled the crack tight, and then just sort of laid the tape over it to hold the crack nice and tight. But I think it'll work pretty good. We'll find out tomorrow. We'll check it out. Same with this one over here. I think it'll hold well, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Well, it's the next day. I'll go ahead and pull the tape off. Hopefully it stays together. I don't pull the decal off. Some sticky stuff. These would have been the ones that I would think would have a hard time sticking. It looks pretty good for a temporary fix, probably. I mean, if it lasts, oh heck, if it lasts a week, I think it's a win. Yeah, that's pretty stout. I think it seems to be holding. This one here, probably same thing. Good enough. I think it's good for another 20 years, along with that one. Yeah, I would recommend it. JB Weld for gluing together your John Deere hood. Worked well. Thanks for hanging out. I will see you on the next one.